Mastering the art of mixology starts with the right tools. When I first picked up the premium 14-piece cocktail set, I felt a surge of creativity. The polished stainless steel, built to last and resist stains, fit perfectly in my hands and allowed me to mix with confidence. From effortless margaritas to perfectly balanced martinis, I discovered a new way to elevate any occasion. Tonight, I'm inviting you to reimagine your at-home cocktail game. Whether you're hosting friends, setting up a bar at home, or treating yourself to a DIY drink, this kit has everything you need to shine. With its unique semicircular bamboo stand, every tool, not just a cocktail shaker but straws, a muddler, a strainer, and more, has a place. With its unique semicircular bamboo stand, it not only keeps your bar space tidy, but adds a touch of elegance to your setup. Just picture it. Every piece within reach, your drinks smoother, and your confidence higher with every pour and stir. This isn't just barware. It's an invitation to become your own bartender, to experiment, create, and enjoy. Don't limit yourself. From mojitos to tequila sunrises, whiskey sours to classic vodka martinis, the possibilities are endless. And let me tell you, the moment you see that smile on a friend's face as they sip on a drink you crafted, you'll understand. It's about more than mixing cocktails. And let me tell you, the moment you see that smile on a friend, it's about connection, creativity, and joy. It's about connection, so why wait? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this set is the tool you need to unlock your potential. Whether you're a seasoned, treat yourself today or gift the experience to someone special. Step into the world of mixology and create moments worth savoring. Get your premium 14-piece cocktail set now and transform the way you enjoy drinks forever. Cheers to new beginnings in every pour. Cheers to new